Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be quickly setting up a basic scene that we can use to demonstrate tool change. But before we get to that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the program here. So like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be quickly setting up a basic scene just to have something to work with when we do our tool change. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, let's say, a circle, another circle around that. Let's just align that a bit better. And then let's maybe make a square just so we can see the difference. Now obviously this is going to vary depending on your layout. You might have holes you want to drill and stuff like that. Well, I'm just going to keep this simple. So let's just move this more to the center, and then I'm going to just change some colors just for now so we can identify at least a difference. So I'm going to right click that one. This one I'm going to make maybe blue, and the last one, let's make it green. So what's currently going to happen, I'm going to use this first one to make a bit of a drill in. So like the first one I want to use to make a actual mill. So we're going to mill out this pocket. Then the next one we're going to do a contour milling around, and then the last one we'll do the contour cutting, so right around the edge. So it's just the example. Now it might vary depending on the tools you're using. The square we're going to use for the contour cutting. I'm jumping all over the place, I'm sorry, but yeah, so what we're going to do is just for example, like I said, this is going to vary depending on your actual setup. So what I'll do is I'm going to start with the beginning, click the red one, and then we go quickly to contour milling. And then we want to select the tool. Now you might have different tools set up. Obviously you can just click that little screw looking icon or over there, and then you can choose which ones you want to set up. Now the order of them are quite important, and also the size and all of that, but I'm just going to use this as a demo. What you would normally do for perhaps the milling out, you'll choose a larger one, but I'm going to start with 1, and then oh wait, let's make this one 3. I'll work it in reverse. So we've got this one at 3. You can obviously add here if you want to add a new type of setup, but I'm going to say just number 3, say save. Oh, we didn't change, so I didn't need to say save. And then over here it's going to be pocket 1, but I'm going to call this, because we're working in reverse, so this will be number 3. So let's go pocket 3. So this is going to be our inner. I'm going to leave all this diameters the same, as we're not actually doing the video about how these settings work. We've already covered those. What we just want to do is look at a tool order. Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. Okay, and then we're going to click on the next one and do a little bit of contour milling. Now I'm going to select tool number 2, because we had tool number 3 for the inside, the biggest or second biggest one. Then we're going to now do that one, and then the last one over here, I'm going to choose the actual contour cutting, and then select tool number 1. So it's going to be our skinniest one. This is going to cut right through, and we're going to have a bit of a bevel in. Oh, sorry, skinniest one, I keep forgetting, it's the outside. We're going to cut that right out. It's going to be our overall shape. Then we're going to have a little bit of a mill. And then with our thickest one, we're gonna contour, and then the thickest one, we're gonna mill out this inside. Say okay. So now on the right here, I'm just gonna make sure we all our naming is relevant. So this one at the moment still says pocket 2. So I'm just gonna pocket 3, which was right. So we must now change this bottom one to make sure it is this one. So we're gonna change this one to contour 1, because like I said, we are working in reverse here. So our tool order is pretty much 1, 2, 3. Normally it will be working from the top down, so it will be 1, 2, 3 if you've set it up correctly, but this order here might be completely different, and that's what we're going to be covering later. How do you make sure your tools are in the right order versus your actual program, because that is going to be quite important. But yeah, before that, this was just the basic setup of the scene. So if we just head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.